Good afternoon everyone. In today's class of MIS Management Information System, I will discuss next topic in Unit 2 in planning. I will discuss here steps in planning process. It's an important topic. Steps in planning process. There are 4 steps in planning. Creating a mission statement, defining an organization. Just note down apostrophe S. Defining an organization's goals and objectives, creating a plan of operations to achieve the mission, and last creating the policy. These are very important steps. Only 4 steps are there in planning process. Just understand them one by one. Here it is written IS means information system. Planning includes few key steps that are a part of any successful planning process. First, creating a mission. So it is written the first step in planning is to create a mission statement that deals the purpose of organization and its overall goals. This is a general overall statement about the purpose, values and principles of organization, which should ideally serve as the framework to objectives, plans and policies pursued. How do you see or envision the organization after 1 year? That's vision. कि आप अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को 1 साल बाद कैसे देखते हो, आफ्टर 5 years, आफ्टर 10 years इन फ्यूचर. दिस विजन फॉर IT, दिस is vision for IT means information technology, as mentioned in the mission statement, is then articulated within the organization. So this is vision and it is in mission statement. Second, defining organization goals. In second step we will define our goals and objectives. Goals are always bigger than objectives, or we can say specified goals are called objectives. So within the framework of mission statement, top management, yes, always top management frames goals and objectives. Top management sets goals. Goals are a wish list without specific quantities of data. Correct here, DATA. Goals roughly correspond to strategy. Correct the spellings of strategy also, STRATEGY. Within the framework of each goal, top managers and middle managers set objectives. Unlike goals, objectives are specific. Yes, I already have explained. Goals are bigger than objective. We can say specified goals are called objectives. So goals are bigger and objectives are always specific and can be measured. Whereas the mission statement is the basic for long term planning. Long term means लंबे समय के लिए, for 1 year, for 10 years, as we did in first step. Objectives are for short term planning. Yes, objectives are small, so they are for short term. Short term planning is for within 1 year. Okay, 1 साल के अंदर की planning short term planning. More than 1 year, 3 year, 5 year, 10 year, it's long term planning. Third, creating a plan of operations to achieve the mission. In third step we will make the plan. After objectives are outlined, planning includes steps such as the conclusion of the size of staff needed. कितना staff चाहिए आपको, नोट करिए. The detailing of master production schedule and specification of quantities of raw material. Okay, the task involved in department that will carry out the assignments and the time frame within which they will be accomplished for each objective. The plan also provides a list of resources needed to achieve the objective: personnel, hardware, software and the purchase services. Everything will be in the planning. Planning में आप सब कुछ plan करिए, how much hardware, software and persons, staff you need. And last, after planning, creating the policies. Once the strategies and just correct the spelling, strategies, STRATEGIES, strategies and plans are placed. एक बार आपकी strategy and plans बन गए हैं and the tasks and resources have been allocated to each organizational unit. Organizational units means each branch और each department को आपने काम divide कर दिया है. Task and resources are allocated or divided. In order to achieve objective, the policies are created. Now next and final step is creating policies. These policies govern the acquisition, use and distribution of resources. Okay, policies are not action in themselves, but they cause management to take actions in certain ways. Okay, policies tell the management to take actions in certain. For example, we can set any policy, like we can set mobile phones are not used, and we can set for workers, if you work for 1 year you will get promotion. For example, Marks and Spencer, it's a company name, has policies of selling goods only under their own brand name and of concentrating their buying in the UK. So it's their policy कि वो मार्क एंड स्पेंसर की क्या पॉलिसी है, वो गुड्स को अपने ब्रांड के नाम के साथ एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग देयर बाइंग इन द यूके, और यूके में ही खरीदेंगे. ठीक है, दैट्स ऑल अबाउट प्लानिंग प्रोसेस. दीज आर 4 steps. Just learn them. It's important topic. Okay, keep watching my all the videos. Thank you for listening.